All right. Starting and ending each day with gratitude is awesome. Will help protect your time and ensure you end each day feeling proud of what you've achieved, right? A lot of us are overachievers. So we don't celebrate the small things that happen to us on a daily basis, the small wins that we get, like a referral. Somebody called us out of the blue. Somebody said yes to something that you were offering that's going to help them in their life. So just be grateful. I start every day with meditation, prayer, and being grateful. Speaking about what I'm grateful about, which is a lot of things, right? And has nothing to do with money at all. It's just being grateful, right? So start each day with gratitude. You might want to take a picture of this slide if it'll help you kind of be intentional with your day. And then it says what? Number 4, prioritize effectively. Prioritize effectively, right? Have a clear structure where your day is based on the bigger purpose. We all have a million things on our to-do list, guys. A million. But if each night before you come to work the next day or come to your business, if you have one, remember, if your business cannot make money without you involved, then you have a job. Always remember that. You don't have a business. A business works whether you are living or dead, and your business makes money. That's a business. If your business cannot make money without you being involved, then you have a job. So the goal is to get from starting at a job to where we can turn it into a business, right? So some of you guys that are solo real estate agents, how could you do that? Maybe you could create a robust referral program for your past clients. Lauren does a lot of events. So now she doesn't have to do all the events. Somebody in her organization could do the events for her. And now her business, her brokerage is generating more business, right? So she's running a business versus having a job. We all started off as solo agents having a job, but quickly, once we hired an admin, once we hired a virtual a VA to call our leads, our business turned into our job turned into a business. Simple as that. That's the quickest way to turn your job into a business, is to hire an assistant and then hire a person to call your leads, right? And now the business runs 24/7, whether you are alive or dead. Your VA is generating business for you. And if something happens to you, your business is still being generated. It'll stop at some point unless you have some other buyer agents on your team, right? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind.